guys, so I am coming to you with a cool video today. I had made some traveler notebook inserts that I am selling, and they are Paris theme. And so without further ado, let's get started. Now I did put this cute little paper here just so I can show you. In the paper pack they do have this paper here with like the cute little drinks, and then it has other things such as eyelashes, and some of the books have center paper in it, and some of the books have paper that is in between, decorative paper that's in between a couple of pages. This one here has the eyelashes, and then in the middle, which I thought was very cute and fitting, it says, always be yourself with cute sunglasses. And so that's one book here. Here's another one with a whole bunch of words on it, as you can see. And this is one of them that, you have a couple of few white pages. Excuse the camera. Hopefully it would autofocus soon. Just there. Here's the paper that I was talking about. And it goes to the other side of the book once you start flipping through the pages. Here is the other side of that paper. And these are Paris theme, but I also call this the Classy Lady theme as well. And here is this one now. This is the cover, and it's like a shoe wreath. And all these come with the white pages in there. Now these pages is not that thick. This paper is not that thick, and I purposely did that. And then here is the page with the shoes on there. And you'll see some of these papers repeat as you've seen this one in that insert. And then you skip a couple of pages, and then you have the other side of the page here. And then this is one of my favorite pages that they had in the paper pack. And they have gold foil on it, which is also super cute. And so let's see, this one here has the page in between. And of course you come back here and you skip a few pages and you will see there. And this here is super cute. And it says life is short, your lashes and heels shouldn't be. And if you've seen my other video, I have a notebook that I made, a customized composition notebook that I did over, and it has this paper on there. But this paper is super cute. And let's see what this one has. Yeah, this one has the lips. Then that's the middle, and we have, if we skip a few pages, here's the other side. And so these are super cute. Where you can use this in theme. If you have like a little Paris theme going on in your notebook, or you have like classy lady theme, whatever, or you can just stick it in a notebook because it's cute. Here are lips, and this one has a middle card in between, gorgeous all year round. Super cute. And then here is the insert that has lips, the big lips. And then the insert here. And here's the other side. I'm trying not to let them fall. And here is the last one. And this one has the page. No, actually, this one doesn't have anything but the paper in it. Okay, so these again are all the inserts that I have customized and made. The price will be on the website once I get these up. I will be selling these individually. And I thank you for watching. Oh, the size of this traveler's notebook, of course, I gave it away because it says traveler's notebook. But there are now different sizes. So this is the standard size. I have Webster's Pages Traveler's Notebook, and I absolutely love Webster's Pages Traveler's Notebook and their lines of, their products. So, but Traveler's Notebooks are my absolute favorite. And so these are the Traveler Notebook inserts that would fit inside of the Webster's Pages Traveler's Notebook. So if you wanted to get a rough idea of the size, that's the size that I cut these to. Later on, I would do the mini pocket or the pocket traveler's notebook, which is like pretty much half this size, and I think they're a little bit narrower than this, and at least half this size. So later on, I'll be doing those smaller sizes, but for right now, I do the standard traveler size inserts. And so I thank you for watching. Like, comment, share. You never know who you can inspire. And I would definitely see you in the next video. Thank you. Make sure you turn on that notification so you'll know when I upload the videos. Also, quick note, when I make my inserts, the staples that I use are the heavy duty ones. And the stapler, I know the stapler brand, it starts with a B. So it's like Bostik or something. So I use those heavy duty staplers to make sure that when I put a lot of pages in there, that the stapler is nice and snug in there. And I make sure that I press them down pretty good. So, yep, that's what I wanted to share and show. And I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Have a good day.